Welcome to this tutorial on how to create an OpenAI account and generate an API key for ChatGPT email. Let's get started. First, visit the OpenAI website by entering the link displayed on the screen. If this is your first time, you'll need to sign up. Complete the registration by providing your details and verifying your email address. If you already have an OpenAI account, you'll be directed to the API generation page. Click on Create New Secret Key as shown in the display. Type in a meaningful name if desired and use the arrows to select your project name. Leave the All selection for permissions. Please remember to save your API key in Notepad. Once you click Done, you won't be able to retrieve the key again. When you're ready, click Done. To proceed with using your API key, you'll need to purchase API tokens. The fees for OpenAI tokens are quite affordable. To get started, navigate to the top right corner of the OpenAI webpage and click on the gear icon. This will guide you through the necessary steps. On the right side of the webpage, you'll find the Billing section. Click on it to add your credit card information and purchase some tokens. These tokens are very affordable, and you can manage your usage limits directly on the webpage. Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.